5 AI tools that will replace your job. Warning: AI is replacing jobs faster than we ever imagined. And most people have no idea what's coming next. From customer service to graphic design, even programming, AI is taking over. But instead of fighting it, what if you could profit from AI instead? In today's video, I'll reveal 5 AI tools that are replacing traditional jobs and how you can use them to make money instead. Stay till the end because the last one will shock you. AI tool number 1. ChatGPT. This AI tool is already replacing writers, journalists, and customer service agents. Companies are using ChatGPT to generate entire articles, product descriptions, and even handle customer inquiries at a fraction of the cost of hiring people. In today's fast-paced world, ChatGPT is a game changer. Whether you need quick answers, creative ideas, or help with writing, it's like having a personal assistant available 24/7. In fact, big companies like BuzzFeed and Insider are already using ChatGPT to replace human writers, saving millions of dollars in salaries. But here's the good news. Instead of getting replaced, you can start using ChatGPT to offer writing services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. AI can do 80% of the work. You just polish it up and get paid. Want to start an AI-powered writing business? Check out ChatGPT. Link in the description. Number 2, Midjourney. Graphic designers beware. AI tools like Midjourney are revolutionizing digital art. Graphic designers used to spend hours creating logos, marketing materials, and illustrations. But now, Midjourney does it instantly, at a fraction of the cost. Midjourney is changing the way we create visuals. With just a few words, it generates stunning, high-quality images in seconds. Perfect for designers, marketers, and content creators. People are now using AI to generate logos, illustrations, and social media graphics in seconds. Instead of competing with AI, use it to your advantage. Start selling AI-generated artwork on Etsy, Redbubble, or Fiverr. Many sellers are making $10,000 plus per month just by using Midjourney to create AI-based designs. Want to try Midjourney? The link is in the description. AI tool number 3, Runway ML. Meet Runway ML, an advanced AI tool that can remove backgrounds, upscale videos, and even create AI-generated animations, all without expensive software like After Effects. Runway ML is revolutionizing video editing with the power of AI. From automatic background removal to advanced motion tracking, it makes complex edits simple and fast. Use Runway ML to offer AI-powered video editing services and charge premium rates. Instead of spending hours editing videos, use AI to offer professional video services on Fiverr or Upwork. Many freelancers are already charging $500 plus per AI-generated animation. Want to start AI-powered video editing? Try Runway, link in the description. AI tool number 4. Copy.ai. Marketing agencies are now using AI-powered copywriting tools like Copy.ai to generate emails, ads, and sales pages without human writers. Copy.ai is a game changer for content creators, marketers, and businesses. It uses AI to generate engaging text in seconds, whether it's social media captions, ad copy, blog posts, or product descriptions. Instead of working harder, use AI to work smarter. You can sell AI-generated copywriting services and scale your online business faster than ever. Try Copy.ai today. Link below. AI tool number 5, Leonardo. AI artists and illustrators are now competing with Leonardo AI, a tool that creates realistic artwork, NFTs, and animations in minutes. It allows anyone to create stunning, high-quality visuals in seconds. Whether you need concept art, game assets, or unique digital designs, Leonardo AI makes the process fast, easy, and accessible. Instead of struggling as an artist, use AI tools like Leonardo to generate and sell high-value digital art. Check out Leonardo AI using the link in the description. So what do you think? Are AI tools a threat or an opportunity? Let me know in the comments. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI money-making secrets.